Hello students, now we are going to start our sixth chapter, sequence and series. And you everyone knows that what is sequence and series. In short, we can say that it is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. In short, AP and GP, समांतर श्रेणी અને ગુણોત્તર શ્રેણી. See, what is overview of this chapter? First, we talk today about only theory of sequence and series. We have to study arithmetic progression, some special types of sequence and series, geometric progression, sum of n terms, first term, common difference. In geometric progression, same sum of n terms, first term, common difference and applications of finance. And in special series, we have to learn sum of first n terms of the series, sum of sequence of first n terms of the series, sum of sum of the cubes of the first n terms of the series. Okay, so first we talk about what is sequence and what is series. We are not directly starting the AP and GP. First, sequence. Okay, what is sequence? Sequence means what? When the numbers are arranged according to some rule is known as sequence. Okay, when the numbers are arranged according to some mathematical rule is known as sequence. For example, we are taking some examples of sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Second, 3, 6, 12, 24. Third, 2, 4, 6, 8. Number 4, 1, 4, 9, 16. Number 5, 100, 95, 90. 6 number, 500, 250, 125. 7 number, 1, 8, 27, etc. Okay, this is called sequence. See, in first example, we can find next term by adding 1 to its preceding term, like 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. In other words, we can also say that it is an arrangement of first n natural numbers. Okay. Second sequence is given by 2, 6, 12, 24. Means each term is obtained by multiplying by 2 to its preceding term. Like 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. If we want to find next term, we have to multiply 24 by 2. We will get 48. Okay. Third, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here there are difference between two terms is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and if we want to find next term, which is next term, it is 10. Similarly, fourth sequence is square of n natural numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 16, etc. Here 100 minus 5 equal to 95, 95 minus 5 equal to 90, means if we subtract 5 from each term, we get next term. Here 500 divided by 2, 250, 250 by 2 equal to 125, means we have to divide each term by 2. And here we can say that it is a sequence of cube of first n natural numbers. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, etc. Okay, it is called sequence. Okay, now series. What is series? Series. Okay, sum of sequence is known as series. Okay, sum of sequence is known as series, or we can also say that algebraic sum of a sequence is known as series. Like our first sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I am writing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till n numbers, it is called sequence. Okay, second example, 100 plus 95 plus 90 plus till n numbers is known as sequence. Okay, see, is known as series. That means sum of a sequence is called series. We can denote sum of n numbers by Sn and nth term by Tn. Okay, sum of n numbers by Sn and nth term by Tn. For example, I am writing T1. T1 means what? First term, plus T2. T2 is second term, plus T3 is third term, till Tn is last term. Okay, it is known as last term, and sum of these terms is known as Sn. Okay, now Sn equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus, if Tn is last number, then which is second last number? It is Tn minus 1 plus Tn. Okay, now see, sum of first two n terms is denoted by Sn. Then sum of T1 to Tn minus 1 is denoted by which number? It is denoted by Sn minus 1. So I can write Sn is equals to sum of this highlighted series is Sn minus 1 plus Tn. Okay, therefore Tn equal to what? Tn is equals to Sn minus 1. Okay, it is formula of finding nth term if sum of n terms is given. Okay, now we are going to start our main topic. Our first topic is arithmetic progression, abbreviated by AP. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. ઓકે, એવરીવન નોઝ દેટ વોટ ઇઝ એન એપી. જો અહીં આપણે ડેફિનેશનનું કંઈ કામ નથી કે પરફેક્ટ ડેફિનેશન શું હોય, એ તો તમે બુકમાંથી પણ રીડ કરી લેશો, બટ તો પણ હું તમને સમજાવી દઉં કે વોટ ઇઝ એન એપી. ઓકે, ઇફ the difference between two terms is constant, is known as is known as an AP. Okay, difference between two terms is constant is known as an AP. For example, number 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 48, 46, etc. It is known as an AP. See, difference between two terms is constant. What is difference between two terms in first sequence? Difference between two terms is denoted by D. Difference between two terms is 2. Here, what is difference between two terms? Here, D is 5. And here, what is difference between two terms? Difference between two terms is -2. Okay, ઘણાને એમ થાય સર તમે ડિફરન્સ બોલો છો તો અહીંયા 2 ન લખી શકાય. નો, because formula of finding difference is equals to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, but we have to remember this formula, T2 minus T1. Formula of finding difference is T2 minus T1. Like T1 means first term and T2 is second term. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2, 10 minus 5 is equals to 5, and 48 minus 50 is equals to what? -2. And first term is denoted by A. What is A here? A equal to 2. It is also known as T1, first term. Here A is 5 and here A is equal to 50. Okay, so A and D gives us an arithmetic progression. Okay, now we discuss about some formula of an AP. Okay, first formula is number 1. First formula is how to find nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is formula of finding Tn. For example, if question is asking that find T10, we have to write A plus n minus 1, n equal to 10. 10 minus 1 equal to what? 9D. Okay. If question is asking that find T7, what is our formula? A plus 6D. એટલે આપણે સમ ગણતી વખતે આખી ફોર્મ્યુલા હું લખીશ પણ તમારે જરૂર નથી લખવાની, ડાયરેક્ટ શોર્ટકટ તમે એપ્લાય કરી શકો છો. બીજું કે લોટ્સ ઓફ ફોર્મ્યુલા હું તમને આપીશ. અત્યારે તો હું જનરલી તમે જે શીખ્યા છો 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સુધીમાં એનો ઓવરવ્યૂ આપું છું, બરાબર છે? ઓકે, નાવ સેકન્ડ ફોર્મ્યુલા, ફોર્મ્યુલા નંબર 2. Formula number 2 is how to find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Okay, there are two formulas of finding Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and second formula, when last term is known, Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, now third point, our third point is, if a is first term, second term can be obtained by adding difference in first term a plus d. Third term is obtained by adding difference in second term a plus 2d, then by a plus 3d. It is known as general form of NAP, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एन एपी. ओके, तो આપણે યાદ રાખજો. બીજા ઘણા બધા પોઈન્ટ છે, હજી એક પોઈન્ટ લઈ લઈએ આપણે, પછી અમુક પોઈન્ટ્સ તો હું આગળ લઈ લઈશ તમને. કે નંબર 4, ઇફ થ્રી ટર્મ્સ રિસ્પેક્ટિવલી T1, T2, T3 આર ઇન એપી, then what is formula of finding difference? Difference is, આપણે ઉપર જોયું હતું શું હતું, T2 minus T1, or we can also write that T3 minus T2, because our formula is Tn minus Tn minus 1, T3 minus T2. Okay, now I am removing this D. આપણે આ D remove કરી દઈએ, just તમને સમજવા માટે લખ્યું હતું. Now moving minus T2 to left side, એક T2 આપેલા છે, આ minus T2 આ સાઈડ મૂવ કરો તો શું થશે, twice of T2 is equals to T1 આ સાઈડ આવે તો શું થાય, પ્લસ T1 plus T3. Okay, therefore twice of second term is equals to what, T1 plus T3. Okay, now if I am taking wait, T1 is equals to first term, T2 is equals to middle term, and T3 is equals to last term, we can write our formula in the way, 2 middle term is equals to first term into last term, 2m is equals to what, FL. Okay, તો આ ફોર્મ્યુલા તમારે એક યાદ રાખવાની છે. બાકી એક નોટ્સ છે, વેન 3 નંબર્સ 4 નંબર્સ એન્ડ 5 નંબર્સ આર ગિવન, પણ એ શોર્ટકટથી કરાવીશ એટલે તમારે યાદ રાખવાની જરૂર નથી. અને બહુ એવું લાગે તો આગળ એક સ્પેશિયલ લેક્ચર હું તમારો ફોર્મ્યુલા માટે લઈશ, એમાં જ તમને કહી દઈશ. બરાબર છે? તો એપીમાં આપણને એટલું આવડવું જોઈએ. શું? તો કે ભાઈ વોટ ઇઝ એપી? વેન ધ કોમન ડિફરન્સ બિટવીન ટુ ટર્મ્સ ઇઝ નોન એઝ એન એપી. Formula of finding Tn, formula of finding Sn, general form of NAP, and if three terms are given, we have to use 2m is equals to FL, first term into last term. Okay, now our next topic is geometric progression. Okay, our next topic is GP. Geometric progression. Do you know what is formula of geometric progression? If the ratio between two terms is constant, is known as a GP. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 3, 9, 27, 81, etc. -2, 4, -8, 16. Okay, it is called GP. See, ratio between two terms is constant. If we multiply each term by R, we get next term. R means what? Ratio. Okay, like in first sequence, which is common ratio, if we multiply each term, we will get next term. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, means R is equals to 2. Okay, here R is equals to what? R is equals to, if we multiply each term by 3, we will get next term. Like 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 23s are 81. So 3 is common ratio. And here R is equals to what? -2 is common ratio. If we multiply -2 by -2, we will get minus minus plus 4. Plus 4 multiplied by -2, we will get -8. Therefore, R is equals to -2. And in all sequence, first term is known as A equal to 1, here A equal to 3, and here A equal to -2. So, what is formula of getting R? R equal to what? Okay, Tn divided by Tn minus 1. ઓકે, પણ આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ નથી રાખવાની. શું યાદ રાખવાનું? T2 divided by T1, second term divided by first term. Like 2 by 1 equal to 2, 9 by 3 equal to 3, 4 by -2 equal to -2. Okay, if first term, if first term is known as A, second term can be obtained by R. Therefore, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube, till n numbers. It is called general form of a GP. It is called general form of a GP. Okay. Now let us talk about some formula, important formula of GP. Formula number 1, to find nth term. Okay, everyone knows that Tn is equals to what? Tn is equals to A R raised to n minus 1. Okay, it is formula of getting nth term in GP. For example, if question is asking for T10, we have to write T10 equal to what? A R raised to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. If question is asking for T7, what is T7? A R raised to 6. तो આપણે ફોર્મ્યુલાનો યુઝ નહીં કરીએ, ડાયરેક્ટ શું કરશું? તો કે ભાઈ ડાયરેક્ટ આપણે ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવી નાખશું. T20 પૂછવું હોય તો શું કરવાનું? A R raised to 19. Okay. Now second formula, and it is very important in this chapter because there are 3 formulas of getting sum of n numbers. Sum of n numbers. Sum of n numbers. Okay. First one is when R is greater than 1. When R is greater than 1, Sn is equals to A R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Okay. Second formula, when R is less than 1, Sn is equals to Sn A 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R. And when R is equals to 1, Sn is equals to Na. Okay, and now last topic of this point, number 3. If 3 terms T1, T2, T3 are in a GP, okay, we can write R equal to what? R equal to T2 upon T1 or T3 upon T2. Okay, sorry, not to T2, twice of T2. Okay, by cross multiplication we are removing R. R ની આપણે કોઈ જરૂર નથી. T2 multiplied by T2 is equals to what? T2 square. And here T1 into T3, T1 multiplied by T3. Okay, but if I am writing first term equal to F, middle term equal to M, and last term equal to L, we will get M square is equals to FL. Sorry, M square is equals to FL. Okay, ચલો સાથે સાથે એક બે એક્સ્ટ્રા ટોપિક પણ ડિસ્કસ કરી લઈએ, એટલે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર જ્યારે આપણો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે આની પછીનો વિડીયો, એમાં આપણને ઇન્ટરપ્રિટ ન થાય. તો એક એક્સ્ટ્રા પોઈન્ટ આપણે શીખી લઈએ. શું શીખ્યા આપણે? એપી એરેથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશન, જીપી જ્યોમેટ્રિક પ્રોગ્રેશન, એન્ડ નેક્સ્ટ સિક્વન્સ ઇઝ હાર્મોનિક પ્રોગ્રેશન. તમારે સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સમાં આવતું છે હાર્મોનિક મીન. ઓકે, સી વોટ ઇઝ ડેફિનેશન ઓફ હાર્મોનિક પ્રોગ્રેશન. ઇફ શોર્ટમાં આખી ડેફિનેશન નથી લખતો, શોર્ટમાં સમજાવી દઉં તમને. ઇફ T1, T2, T3 till Tn, listen carefully, T1, T2, T3 till Tn is said to be harmonic progression. Said to be harmonic progression if 1 upon T1, 1 upon T2, 1 upon T3 till 1 upon Tn is in AP. ઓકે, આખી આપણે ડેફિનેશન બનાવી હોય તો આ રીતે બનાવાય કે ઇફ ધ નંબર્સ T1, T2, T3 till Tn is said to be in harmonic progression if they are reciprocals. 1 upon T1, 1 upon T2, 1 upon T3 till 1 upon Tn is in AP. મીન્સ જે નંબર આપ્યા હોય એને તમે એનો રિસિપ્રોકલ કરો તો શું બનવું જોઈએ? તો કે હાર્મોનિક પ્રોગ્રેસ એપી બનવું જોઈએ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 1, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7 is a harmonic progression, because if we take a reciprocal of these numbers we will get an AP. Like reciprocal of 1 is 1, the reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5, and reciprocal of 1 by 7 is 7 is in AP. Okay, so it is called harmonic progression. Okay, now we are discuss about AM, GM, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Okay, first we talk about AM. AM means what? Arithmetic mean. બરાબર, તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું. AM means what? Arithmetic mean. તો આપણે આગળ શીખી ગયા છીએ કે if 3 numbers like A, capital A, and B are in AP. માની લો કે આ 3 નંબર એપીમાં છે, તો તમે શું લખતા? તો કે ભાઈ આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલા મેં તમને આવી બનાવી દીધી છે કે 2 મિડલ ટર્મ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ પ્લસ લાસ્ટ ટર્મ. 2m equal to FL. Okay, so here middle term is capital A, so we can write 2a is equals to first term A, last term B. Okay, therefore A equal to what? A is equals to A plus B divided by 2. It is called arithmetic progression. For example, if the question is asking that find AM, find arithmetic mean between 8 and 32. 8 and 10 ले लिए, चलो 8 and 10. What is our answer? Arithmetic mean is equals to two numbers A plus B divided by 2 is equals to 8 plus 10 divided by 2. It is equals to 18 by 2 and 18 by 2 is equals to 9. In short, arithmetic mean is nothing but the total of two terms divided by 2. Okay, it is called simple mean, like તમે correlation માં 12th standard માં શીખ્યા હતા. Okay, now second point, geometric mean, GP. GM, geometric mean. તો એ પણ એ જ રીતે આપણે મેળવીએ. If two numbers A, capital G and B are in GP. Okay, so we can write middle term square is equals to what? First term into last term. Middle term is what? G. G square is equals to first term A into B. So I can write G is equals to under root of AB. ઘણા પ્લસ માઇનસનું વિચારતા હોય તો એ માઇન્ડમાંથી કાઢી નાખજો, because geometric mean is always positive. Geometric mean could not be negative, એટલે આપણે પોઝિટિવ સાઇન જ લેવાની. તો geometric mean ની ફોર્મ્યુલા શું થઈ? તો કે G is equals to AB. For example, if question is asking that find geometric mean between the numbers 2 and 18. What is our answer? Geometric mean is equals to G under root of product of two numbers equal to under root of 2 into 18, and 2 into 18 equal to what? Under root of 36, and under root of 36 is equals to 6. So geometric mean is equals to 6. Okay, so now we discuss its important points in next video. So it is just introduction of an AP and GP.